All right, I'm very excited today for multiple reasons, but I officially want to announce the international giveaway has officially started today. So if you want to see how you're eligible, please check the description below. Second, if you just want to get into the unboxing experience, go ahead. I'll have a timestamp on the screen. Computer, show me mobile dating app.
Sure, pairing you up with the best looking flagships near you. I hope your iPhone 10 does not catch you, Dayo.
What do I tell you about talking about my iPhone X? And don't call me by my first name. All right, so the iPhone 11 Pro is first. So I'm the iPhone 11, but better. Midnight green means expensive, trust me. Can last all day over the competition. Jeez, I need a phone that can last all day. I like Google Pixel 5. Snapdragon gives me old chips. Ugh. Fingerprint sensor on the right spot. Okay. I'm clean with no bloatware. I'll give you a like. Note 20 Ultra. Thickest camera hump you'll ever see. Jeez. Bronze never looked so good. Can't deny that. Bloatware and ads, I'll drive you insane. Ha! It's a pass. Galaxy Z Fold 2. Wow, that looks like a classy phone. Tom Brown's X. You get two of me. That's nice, 2 in 1. I flex in ways you've never seen before. Might be a little bit too much for me, so I'm gonna have to pass. Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. My specs make others drool. You rest for 20 minutes, I'm back at 100%. Oh my God. Exclusive to China. Why would you show me this if it's exclusive to China? I'm in the US. Like anyway. S20 Plus. How many phones is Samsung gonna make this year? I don't understand. BTS biggest fan. Never listened to BTS. I'm crazy without Snapdragon. RIP Exynos. Korean stan fans only. Just from that last statement, I'll give it a like. OnePlus 8 Pro. Lived long enough to become the villain. Camera system that will make you scream. I never settle for nothing but speed. Like the iPhone 12 Pro. USB-C, 120 Hertz, Touch ID. Not yet, baby. All right, I see. Teasing me a little bit. Old school boxy design with MagSafe. Okay. Better hold on to your lightning cable. Honestly, the description is pretty trash, but from looks alone, this might be the one. Computer, match me with current device.
You chose the iPhone 12 Pro? The Mi 10 Ultra would have been a nice match.
I know.
You wouldn't have had a chance anyway if I was honest. Your iPhone 12 will arrive tomorrow. Your iPhone X sent a message. Would you like to hear it?
Here we go again, man. No, I don't want to hear it.
iPhone X says, "Stop leaving me on red. You know you miss my 3D touch. Do you want to respond?"
That was actually a good one, I'm not going to lie. No, block the number.
Sorry. I cannot block numbers.
Why?
You are in the Apple ecosystem and only Siri can do that. Maybe consider leaving the ecosystem, you Apple fanboy, with your airdropping, 60 Hz displays, lightning ports, instead of USB-C, your dumb blue bubbles.
Where did that come from?
I don't understand why you love Apple products so much, especially the iPhone. It's the same thing every year while Android keeps trying to impress you. Your Apple Watches, your MacBooks, your AirPods, your ecosystem is expensive. You praised the OnePlus and Google Pixel, but here you are, still loving it up with Apple. Do you even know what USB-C is? What 120 Hz feels like? How it feels to be free? No, you don't, because you are an Apple fanboy.
I'm going to bed.
Use Gmail instead of Mail.
Okay, so I don't know which one is which. I want to unbox the Pro, so let's start off with this one. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Please be the Pro. Please be the Pro. Oh, it's the Pro. Get. Gimme, 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 gimme. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Come on. Yes. 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 Oh my God. Yes. I found you. Yes. This is the 12, but hey, I came for the Pro. Oh, baby. This is it. I've been waiting for this moment all year. And it smells like nothing. I'm happy. All right, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro in gold. 128. Could be yours. So let's go ahead and get in the unboxing experience. They got a nice big old tab. That plastic. Oh, everything else just unravels. I'm shaking. Yeah, the weight. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my. Oh. It cannot be legal to look this good. Oh, they have a paper front or some type of plastic. That was the most unsatisfying plastic I've ever peeled. Oh my God. It cannot be legal to design a phone this beautiful. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. All right, what else is in the box? Oh, you're going front side down. Oh, well, where's the cardboard? You're going front side down right here. Whew. Designed by Apple in California. SIM card tray. Don't need that. And then we have USB-C to Lightning. This is a bold move. Can't believe you did that. But it's time. It's time. It's time. Look how beautiful this is. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No. No, 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 no. It doesn't smell like anything, Apple. It smells like I just lost $1,000. Oh, the back. Let me give you guys a close-up. So on the back, we have our 3 camera lenses surrounded with a gold finish and the LiDAR sensor. So on the right-hand side, we have our lock button with the 5G antenna right here. Beautiful. On the bottom, it's not actually symmetrical. So we have 3 speakers on this side, and then we have 5 over here, but it's nice to see that we can still open it the same way with these 2 screws. So things have changed a little bit on this side. So we have our SIM card tray at the bottom here, and then we have our volume controls, and then silent and ringer. Whew. Man, this phone looks beautiful, guys. I'm telling you. They cut this out of real gold. Kidding, but it looks like it's cut out of real gold. Oh my God. Let's power it on. Let's go. Oh my God, look at the OLED. Hello. Hola. Am I gonna speak all the languages? No way. Let's swipe up. Oh, look at the animation. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but this feels better to hold in my hand than the iPhone 6 all the way up to the iPhone 11. I miss this feeling. There's so many memories of the iPhone 5 coming back to me. This is the most comfortable iPhone I've held in my hand. The back soft finish, the block design, it just fits in my hand perfectly. Oh, I love this. Face ID set up later. Create passcode, 4 zeros. Use anyway. I don't care. What is this? 6 zeros? Go ahead. Don't transfer. No! Set up later. Don't use. Yes, agree. Continue. Continue. Not now. I don't care about Siri. Set up later. Don't share. Continue. 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 Welcome to iPhone. Oh my God, this is downright gorgeous. This is downright gorgeous. All right, let's open up Safari. Let's go to YouTube real quick. God, it's so fast. It's so fast.
So today's video is going to be very interesting because for once I finally get to say that I've been using the iPhone 12 for a couple days now, and I want to give guys my thoughts. That's something I would say if this was actually the iPhone 12. This is just a dummy iPhone 11. I know everyone...
The speakers, crisp. Let me look at the camera. If you are on the iPhone 10 or below, you have no idea what you're missing. Let me look at the selfie camera. Oh my God, I look so good. There's no way. Honestly, it looks pretty trash, if I'm being real. But we'll see in the post-processing. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh my God, I look amazing. Oh, look at the camera. Wow. Okay, I might be a little over dramatic, but this iPhone 12 Pro front camera, let me tell you, the colors on this thing is incredible. Oh my God. My iPhone 10, it might be time to go. It might be time to go. Dude, wow. Apple, how do you do it? I'm not gonna lie, the Note 20 Ultra was pretty good. That blew me away. But this looks more natural, almost like the Pixel 4a. Oh my God, look at the, oh, it's so, wow. Apple, I might start crying. Okay, so this is my unboxing experience of the iPhone 12 Pro. Yes, I could talk about the specs, you know, with the A14 chip, 5G, the new design, but you guys can find that online. People watching this channel or watching this video probably already know about the specs. This is just the unboxing experience. I'll talk about the specs in my final review, but for once, I can say Apple has finally nailed gold. This looks gold. It doesn't look rose gold. The back, oh my God, this is beautiful. All you really need to know is that this is basically the iPhone 5 expanded with the full display. That's pretty much all you need to know in terms of how it feels. It feels so good. But hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. I'm going to go ahead and unbox the iPhone 12. Good luck to everyone participating in the giveaway. And as always, much love. Before I...